All right, guys, we got another one on the lot. Let's make a quick video. Brand new one on the lot. This is the one I call the Carrot Top Junior. You guys have seen the Carrot Top Senior. This is the Carrot Top Junior. Junior is a 12 by 24 Amish built rustic cabin with a 6 by 24 porch. This one is just $35,000. Built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. Look how cool this one is. You guys are used to seeing the ones where we do the lighter brown color. This one is more of like a blackish brown. They stain it black, but as it soaks into the wood, it kind of fades in a little bit and becomes more like a dark brown. It's got the black roof on it and the black shutters. Super cute. Again, just $35K for this one here. We call the Carrot Top Junior. Okay, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. What y'all think about this color? Isn't that cool? I think that looks super cool. Isn't that cool? Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Now, this particular model has something unique in it that you haven't seen in one of these before. So when we walk in, I'll show you what that is. It's like a little loft area with a ladder to go up to it for more storage, or potentially someone to stay up there. It's like secondary bedroom upstairs kind of thing. And again, this is built on skids. They're 10 foot off center. Beautiful day out here in Indiana, by the way. Where's my baby boomers and my Gen Xers at? Comment below. Y'all know I'm your 1979 cowboy. I like to see I got my Gen Xers and my baby boomers watching me, so I know it's not just the young bucks watching my channel. Where's my people at? Comment below, Gen X boomer. If you're a baby boomer or a Gen Xer, much love to you. This one again just arrived today, so I wanted to make a quick video of it and showing you all this brand new Carrot Top Junior. Again, 12 by 24. It's like a studio style cabin with a little loft up top. So I'm gonna show you, let's go inside. Again, to me, that porch kind of sets the precedence. Isn't that cool? Nice 6 foot by 24 foot covered porch. Let's take you inside. I really like this color. I haven't had one this color on my lot before. Before we walk inside, look to the left, look to the right. And you notice the Carrot Top had a more modern door on it. This one's got a rustic all wood door on it. So keep in mind that's an option as well. If you were going to go with a wood door, you can do that as well. Go on inside and check this out. So when you walk inside, look to the left, open concept. It's like a studio, you know what I'm saying? You got your double pane, easy clean vinyl windows. And look how open it is. You got your beautiful knotty pine floors. And notice above me, there's a loft, okay? So you could set up the downstairs here as your living room area, right? And put a bed up top to go and sleep on, right? So you maximize the square footage, or you could have it set up where you got a bedroom down here and have a secondary bedroom upstairs if you got a couple of people that need to be, you know, have a spot to sleep. Look at the back of the door, isn't that cool? Got that rustic look. And you got your little kitchenette area over here where you put you a fridge, stove, put you a sink right here. There's your window. Got your little cabinet ready to roll. Isn't that pretty? Again, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. This is the one we call the Carrot Top Junior. 12 by 24, only $35,000. We ship it nationwide. Now let me show you how this ladder works. It's going to be complicated to do it with me holding the phone, but basically, you see how it's sitting on that little ledge? It comes down off of that ledge like this. I'm doing it with one arm here, see? I'm gonna straighten it up, but I had to do that with one arm because I'm holding the phone. And then it just kind of, let's see here. There we go. And it just locks up like that. And just like that, you got access to go up to your sleeping loft up on the second floor. Okay? So put you a, that looks like it could easily fit. Let me go up there and see what kind of size bed we can fit up there. Oh yeah, we could probably easily put probably a full-size bed fit up there. Put you a full-size bed or a twin or a couple of twins. So pretty cool setup. So again, that's how you access that. And remember too, we could always bring that loft out more. So let's say you wanted this, instead of it stopping right here, you wanted the Amish to bring it out more this way. So maybe you want to get a king size mattress up there, we can do that as well. Remember, these are all made to order. So it ain't no thing but a chicken wing for us to make modifications to make it fit whatever you're trying to get done. You know what I'm saying? So just keep that in mind when you order yours. We can customize it to kind of fit your needs, okay? So again, remember too, you can also order this one where it's fully turnkey, where it'll come with electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks. If you did that, you'd be more around the 55K range. If you ordered this one fully turnkey, move-in ready, with all the electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks already in it, you'd be around the 55K range on this one here. Okay, super cool cabin. Again, this is an all wood cabin. You see it, the walls are actually 4x6s. Let me take you outside again and show you that real quick. So you see how we got the wall set up here. So the walls are actually, see, you got these 4x6 timber stacked all the way up. And then you got that gray matter in between, that's called the chinking or log jam, and that's what seals the cabin. So it holds in your hot air when you're running your heat in the winter, and holds in your cold air when you're running your cooling and air conditioning in the summer. Okay, so that's how that works. Built by the Amish, we ship it nationwide. This is the one we call the Bella Park Model RV. If you're looking for a beautiful park model, built by the Amish, handcrafted, made in USA. Look at the quality, guys, absolutely stunning. Got that tongue and groove pine on the inside, got that D-log siding on the outside. You're looking for a beautiful structure. This is a 2-bed, 1-bath, fully loaded park model RV. We call this one the Bella. It's got a bedroom downstairs, loft upstairs, comes with all your electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks. Got this super cool 8-foot by 11-foot porch. The dimensions of this one is 11 foot by 44 foot. Just absolutely stunning. I love the contrast of the light walls on the inside and then the dark walls on the outside. Let me show you what it looks like real quick on the outside. Beautiful day out here in Indiana, just doing some filming. Again, you can customize it, pick your different roof colors, pick your different stain colors. But again, just a beautiful park model RV built by the Amish, and we ship them nationwide. Give us a call today at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033 if you're looking for a beautiful cabin. And remember, we can build this one on this 4-axle trailer like what you see here, or we can take it off the trailer and just build it on top of some runners. Okay, so we can build them on skids if you don't need it to be on a trailer, or we can build it on a trailer if you're trying to, you know, put it in an RV park, because this is built to RVIA standards. This is an RVIA certified park model. Again, just a beautiful structure built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. The brand new Big Bertha on the lot, just shy of 950 square feet, 3-bedroom, 1-bath. This is the Big Bertha Baby 2.0. Got a 6-foot by 42-foot front porch. And then on the first floor is 14 by 42. Second floor is 14 by 32. So just shy of 950 square feet of living space. As you can see, beautiful porch that extends the whole front of Big Bertha Baby. Okay, now we are inside this pretty thing. Beautiful, beautiful. One modification we did on the 2.0 is now we got a handcrafted tabletop here with a little bit more features on it. Okay, you got your handcrafted kitchen cabinets. We got the barn door on there. That's going to go to where your restroom is going to be in your laundry room, right? You still got your door underneath the steps. Still got your second floor, except this time we enclosed one of the bedrooms up there and we kept one side open. Okay, so we got 2 bedrooms upstairs. We enclosed one side so y'all can kind of see what that looks like closed up. Kept the other side open. Okay, so y'all can let us know if you want them both open, both closed, one open, one closed, lots of options. There's your back door. There's your living room area. Okay, just like the original, but remember it's 10 foot longer on the first floor because, ooh, what's this? That's right, we got a master downstairs. A lot of our customers are baby boomers. They don't want to risk falling down them stairs, or a lot of folks just want to have a downstairs bedroom, right? So now let's go into the bedroom, and voila, we got a downstairs bedroom off of the living room. There's the master bedroom downstairs, dining room, kitchen, bathroom area / laundry room, and let's go upstairs. Once again, before we make it all the way upstairs, let me show you the catwalk. So you got a catwalk here that connects the 2 bedrooms together. So you go across the catwalk from one bedroom to the other. We kept this bedroom open, okay? And we kept this bedroom, we closed it off. So y'all can see we can do both. We can close them both off, or we can leave them both open and close one and keep one open. So let's go in this one first. This one's huge. This side, this is above the living room area. Someone was asking me earlier today, can you get a California King on one side of the upstairs? And yes, you can. On this section here, you could get a California King bed right here. It's huge, okay? Clean as a whistle, baby. So we're in one bedroom. Remember, we can close that off if you want us to. And we got this one closed off. Let's go in it. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Look at that. So this is bedroom number 3. 1 bedroom downstairs, 2 bedrooms upstairs. Clean as a whistle. And let's show you what the backside looks like. I got to go way back. She's a big girl. Got to go way back. Like I said, 14 by 42 on the bottom, 14 by 32 on the top. Now, wouldn't this look so pretty on your land? Clean as a whistle, baby.